Hey guys, I have here the Sony SRS XB13 wireless Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we want to explain to you how to pair this Bluetooth speaker with an iPhone. So in this example we have again iPhone X, but it does work with any other iPhone in the exactly same way. In case you want to pair your speaker with an Android phone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner, which explains exactly how to do this with an Android phone. Okay, so now let's get started. So of course we have to start out with turning on the speaker by pressing the power button here on the back side. Let's press this once, and we do see here now the green LED on top of the power button illuminated, and then there's the blue blinking light on top of the Bluetooth icon. So let's press the Bluetooth button. And now we could just hear the jingle that indicates that we are now in the Bluetooth pairing mode. So for now we can put the speaker to the side, and we're going to switch here to our iPhone. And there we're going to enter the settings menu, and that's the gray icon here with the cogwheels on it. So we're going to press this, and then we're going to find here Bluetooth as one of the first items from the top. We're going to select this, and here we ensure that we are going to turn on Bluetooth. And you may have already other devices that were connected to the phone before, but on the very bottom here of the list, that's where we find the SRS XB13. So we're going to select this. And we already heard it. Within a matter of seconds we are already connected now to the speaker, and it is ready to be used. So at this point we can switch just to the music app and start to play our couple of songs, or even make phone calls with it, whatever you want to do with your speaker. And once you're done using the speaker, then all you have to do is to press the power button to turn it back off. And now if you're wondering if you have to go through this entire pairing process every time you want to use the speaker, then the answer to that question is no. So the next time you want to use the speaker and you want to connect it, all you have to do is press the power button, and within a couple of seconds the speaker is going to automatically reconnect to the smartphone, to our iPhone. You don't even have to go to the settings menu here as I am doing. I just show you this just to visualize that it is actually automatically reconnecting. So yeah, okay, so this was already it. I hope you found the video helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.